Model 2019 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 Enterprise Blue 2.0 HDI Spares OR Repairs Euro 6 Body, white, panel van mileage, 90,645 MOT, the 27th of June 2024 engine, 1997 cc DW10 FUDA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0